Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up note due diligence with LendingClub Notes, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on LendingClub's website. Navigate to the Notes section once you're logged in. Familiarize yourself with the different types of notes available. Review the LendingClub marketplace for potential investments. Set your investment goals based on your financial strategy. Research the credit profiles of borrowers associated with notes. Utilize LendingClub's filtering tools to narrow down your options. Examine historical performance data for each note. Consider the loan grades and associated risk levels. Analyze borrower details such as income, employment, and credit history. Take note of the interest rates offered on different notes. Decide on the amount you wish to invest in each note. Ensure diversification by spreading your investments across multiple notes. Review any fees associated with buying and holding notes. Make your selections and proceed to purchase the notes. Confirm your purchases and monitor your investment portfolio. Stay informed about the performance of your notes through regular updates. Utilize LendingClub's resources for ongoing education on note investing. Adjust your investment strategy based on market trends and performance analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.